Built for professional contractors who rely on their miter saws day in and day out. Introducing the new Makita LS1018. It's the latest in Makita's expanding lineup of best-in-class miter saws. The LS1018 weighs only 43.7 pounds for added job site portability. Pros demand accuracy, and the linear ball bearing system is engineered to deliver smooth, dead-on accuracy, cut after cut. At 90 degrees, the LS1018 has a full 12 inches of cross-cutting capacity with 8.5-inch capacity at 45 degrees. The saw miters 0 to 47 degrees left and 0 to 60 degrees right, and bevel cuts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees left and right. The ergonomic rubberized handle design with larger trigger has a better fit for added comfort. It's powered by a direct drive 13 amp motor with soft start, so you'll get smoother startups and constant power with no belts to slip or replace. Get the cutting performance and accuracy for the most demanding jobs. Get the LS1018 10-inch dual slide compound miter saw from Makita.
The Milescraft drill block. No more guessing if your drill is at a true 90-degree angle to your work surface. This handy guide system allows you to drill a straight hole every time. The drill block has an ergonomic design that is comfortable in any application. The unit also features non-slip TPE pads on both sides to prevent slipping and marring on the work surface. There are center lines on all 4 sides of the drill block that are lined up with each hole location to help you make sure you are positioned exactly centered on your mark. Using these as a guide, you will drill a perfect hole every time. The base of the drill block is made of a reinforced nylon and will not heat up in your hand while drilling through metal. The drill block has a solid base that allows it to be clamped for stability. The V-block channel on the underside provides versatility on many different drilling surfaces, from round to corner profiles. On the top of the bushing block, there are 6 holes for common drill bit sizes: 1/8, 3/16, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. Each bushing is held to a tight tolerance and allows you to drill at a 90-degree angle to any surface. For drilling holes that are straight and true, be sure to check out the Milescraft.
If you're not using the blade marks and prevent kickback, and smooth, consistent forward motion prevents burning on especially dense hardwoods. No other push block in the world offers this level of control, precision, and safety. Its powerful green grip gives you incredible, so quit stalling. We've sold over 350,000 grippers worldwide. The gripper's made right here in the USA, and it's backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Work safer, work smarter.
With the Milescraft dowel and tenon center set, it's easy to accurately mark the location of dowel holes or existing pin locations on a second board for your project. The 8-piece set of steel centers are made for durable, repeated marking performance over time and includes 2 dowel centers to correspond with pre-drilled 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, 3/8 inch, or 1/2 inch holes. And when flipped over, the same 8-piece set also doubles as tenon centers for 3/16 inch, 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, or 3/8 inch dowel pins. To mark for dowel centers, place the appropriate size dowel center in the pre-drilled hole. Then orient the mating piece in position and press down to mark the location to drill the corresponding hole for your dowel. To mark corresponding locations using existing dowel pins in the first piece, place the appropriate tenon center on the dowel pin, line up the mating piece, and press to mark the location for the corresponding hole. The result is a perfectly aligned joint for your project. Milescraft, always the better idea.
strive to provide you with the best performing, longest lasting, hardest working trusted by the trade.
Introducing the Portamate PM8000 Portacube STR, the revolutionary portable workstation and storage center, designed to get the most out of your miter saw. Does it feel like every time you start a project, you struggle to find space in your crowded workshop? The extension wings and adjustable tool tables raise and lock into position. And adjustable feet can be used for leveling on uneven surfaces. With the Portacube STR fully expanded, you are ready to start making cuts with your miter saw. When cutting is complete, rotate your saw back into storage and the Portacube STR transforms into a 7-foot work surface, perfect for working